Hello everyone, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card we're making today. Really simple, but I love it. I've coloured in using the Stampin blend alcohol markers, and as you know I love colouring, so I had such fun doing this, so I'm looking forward to showing you again how I did it. Stamps that I'm going to be using is this one called Blessings of Home, and I'm going to be using this stamp here. It's really a gorgeous set. It's from the new mini catalogue. And since we're going to be colouring with Stampin blend alcohol markers, we're going to colour Stampin Memento. So I'm just going to ink this up nicely. And I've got everything in my Stamparator, so if I need to re-ink I can. I'm not sure how juicy this pad is. So let's ink it once again. And give it a really good press down. I don't have a lot of strength in my hands, so I tend to just give it a wallop. So I just switched the camera off because the phone rang, but there I've stamped it all, and we're going to colour it in using Daffodil Delight, So Saffron, both light and dark Old Olive. So I'm going to put you on fast forward while I colour it in, and I'll see you at the end. Okay, so I've actually coloured everything in and I've put dimensionals on the back. So we're going to start to assemble our card. So I've got a card base here of So Saffron, and this is a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And I've got a piece here of the Heart and Home Designer Series paper. And I'm going to put this on the front here. Just like that. And then I've got a piece here of Whisper White, or Basic White, and this is going to go on the inside where you can write your message. Okay, just like that. And then I've coloured it in, as I said, and on the back I've stuck a lot of dimensionals, and I've taken the backings off so you didn't have to watch all of that. And then I'm just going to put it somewhere like that. Isn't it pretty? And then I'm going to use some of these Playing with Pattern resin dots on the bottom here. So just to bring that yellow to another point in the card. Okay. And there we have it. There are our two cards. So what do you think? I hope you enjoyed this project. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. Also press the bell, and that will alert you to whenever I post a new video. If you want more information about this project, the supply list, measurements, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!